Hey everybody, let's switch lines today and talk about Distech a little bit. I'm talking about Distech, but yet I have Excel open. Why is that? Well, Distech has this tool called Express GFX Points that you can build your points in Excel. So you open up Excel. Once you have this loaded in there, you get this from the Distech Software Center. And what it does is allows you to build your controller points, a list of them in Excel, and export them into a GFX file. So let's do that real quick. I'm going to add a controller here, and I'll use BACnet. One of my popular ones is the 650. That's the 600 series with a screen. So I'm going to add a sheet. And close that. And just for giggles here, I'm going to add a IO so you can see what that looks like here. I'll go to 410. Save. Okay, now I can close. So now I have my 650 at the top here. I have my 410 at the bottom. And what I could do is just start naming points. So this is going to be some built up air handler or something like that. So I can have a supply, or I'll call it SA temp, right? I can have a return air temp. And, you name it the way you want to name it. Mixed air temp, outdoor air temp, fan status, it's good. My outputs, I can have fan command. I can have fan speed. What is it? Chill water valve. And then down here, I could have some points. Let's call this, maybe I'm putting miscellaneous lighting controls or something on here. Okay. And I can go fill all these out. So, I typically use 10K type 2 sensors. And I can make all these 10K type 2s except for the status, which is going to be digital. Come over here, units, so I can do my degrees Fahrenheit since I'm in the US. Including that one actually. Okay, over here. That's good. Right here, my fan command signal, digital fan speed is going to be 0 to 10. Chill water valve 0 to 10. Down here, it's going to be digital. Okay. I can even change my text if I want here. So I can do on, off. And this would be day and night. And this would be fan speed is going to be a percentage. And this is going to be a percentage as well. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Oh, wait. That's not day night. This is on off as well. I got those confused. On, off. This one's going to be my day night. Day, night. On, off. Okay, and that's going to be on, off as well. And then once you have this built out the way you like it, all you have to do is come up here and hit File, Save As. I'm going to throw this in my downloads. Sure, I'll call it Book 1, that's fine. And then I'm going to export here. Export and close. Okay, so now all I have to do is go open GFX. Choose my 650, 600 series. Go to File, Import, from File, go where I saved it, and boom. So it built, this is my 650 points, this is my module points. If we want it on the same page, we can easily do that. We'll just highlight all these, cut, bring them over here and paste, drag them down. Drag everything over to make it fit. Make it nice and pretty. Maybe put a label here saying this is the modular points, this is the controller points, whatever, but you can see by the numbers. These will start with 100, and these won't have a 100 in there. But that's it. That's how you can easily kind of build your points there to make that work. And if you double click in here, everything's already set up. See, degrees Fahrenheit, you just have to go in. No, you don't have to go in and do anything. Off, on, off. Right, and my light sensor, day, night. See, so everything's kind of built for you. So that's a very nice feature of Distech. If you got some custom stuff that you're trying to do points for, I would highly suggest doing that first. It really speeds up the process. Thanks for watching.